Hi, my peoples. I'm Faced by Trevor, if you did not know. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more looks like this. This is my rainbow look. And I've seen the droplets, I've seen fire, so I was like, why not put them into one look? So I did a glittery, like melting rainbow that goes straight up into fire, up into flame. And if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hey my people, so let's get straight into this look because I'm filming 3 videos today. I will be jumping into a lot of different palettes today just because I don't have all the colors in one palette. But let's jump straight into this. The lids are primed. Look at my hair. Oh, I gotta fix that. But jump into the shade Sienna right here from Anastasia. I'm putting that all in the upper crease. Start lower, like down in your, if you have hooded lids like me, start lower down here, like your, like I cannot get my words, like in your actual crease. That's what I was trying to say. And then take the excess when you're done blending down there and blend it upward so you have a nice diffusion of color. So let's do that real quick. So that's blended all over the top of the lid. Next, we're going to take a little bit of concealer and a small brush, like a little tiny little brush, and we're going to start carving out our flames for our right eye. We won't get to the left eye until we get to the face, but I always start with my right eye anyway, so let's get straight into carving these flames out. So you're going to want 3. I'm going to put this down here. And this is not an easy task right here. Also, you don't want to blink when you do this because then it's just, oh, you're going to mess up your shape. And that kind of looks like fire, right? So that's going to be my green strip. And then the green. Yes. Now I'm going on to the blue. That one's going to be slightly longer and higher up. And the purple is going to wing outwards. And now we're going to do our purple. So, alright. So for the green and the blue, I would be using my Juvia's Place palette. It's the Afrique one. Yeah. So I'm going to be using a small little pencil brush like this to do like the base of the colors. And then to get to the tips, I'm going to use this it's not short, this liner brush right here. So let's get straight into that. Dip it into the green shade. Yes. So like I said, I'm going to just dab this at the base so I can fill in the base. And you want to dab this up a lot. I really don't like that word when it comes to this. You really want to stamp that in a lot because you want the color to be full pigment. You want these colors to be seen all the way to like the end of June, like very beginning of July. Actually, you want these to be seen all year. So you're going straight into these real deep, intensify the color, but you still want to be careful where you're placing your hand so you don't mess up your shape. Just clean off the brushes really well in between each color so they don't get mixed up until I'm ready to blend. Like I said, I'm going to take that liner brush so I can do the tips. And this you want to take your sweet, sweet time with. Yeah, I lied. For the purple, I am going to be jumping into this pure palette. But that's the blue and the green so far. And just to blend the colors together, I just took a little bit more of the green and went like this with this small liner brush. That really helped to blend it together. But these are the start of your flames. So jump into the purple, just like I said, same way I did the other 2 colors. Just build it. This color is stiff. Build it up on the brush and stamp it in at the base and where you want your flame to start out at. Gotta get really into this brush with this color. But you're just gonna do just like this. I'm loving this look so far. ended up going with this, just this, what is this? Oh, this, God, sparkle liner, and I just ended up putting that in the ends of the wings to give it some type of metallic. But next we're going in with glitters. So I used the NYX glitter primer as a base, but next I'm going in with the Pierre Cosme. I just happen to have this purple glitter that I've never used, so I'm taking that and I'm putting that all where I put the glitter glue. And I didn't necessarily do a full cover of glue. I just put it in spots, like you can kind of see. I split it up a little bit. I kind of put some of it into the flames. Some of it I just kept more near the base. I didn't put it like all evenly across, because I do want this to glow. Glow like fire, that is. I don't want it to be just glitter. I'm going to blend that a little bit over into the blue. Isn't that so pretty so far? Look at that. Beautiful. And then for the blue glitter, I'm going to use this. I do have loose blue glitters, but I'm going to use this light blue just so I can have more control of it because it's on the wand. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put some over here. I'm sorry, I'm so deep into this palette. It's just like this is such an intricate look right now. So you see I'm just doing like the tips. I'm doing some right here in the base. But I'm not doing like full color all over the lid. I'm going to blend that slightly into the green. I do not have a green glitter, so I'm going to just keep that how it is, really. But this is your flame. I might take more of that purple glitter and go into the little fire things. Yes. Off camera, I did quite a bit of stuff. So, some things that I did. Oh, I forgot to do something. But I added a thin liner to each eye. I also took this white pencil because I was losing detail. I went in with some black detail with the black liner. I lost some detail there. So what I did, I just re-intensified the color a little bit and took this white liner and went in between the fire strokes, and it came out looking a lot better than it initially did. So that's this eye. Off camera, also did my face, my base. So for cheeks, contour, of course, I did Ulta's Velvet Blush in the shade Pink. I don't know if they sell it. I say it's in every video, but it's my favorite blush. Goes with everything. And then I used Artist Couture's, what is this? Purple Dream for my highlight. So, jumping on straight into the face, what we're going to do, we're basically duplicating the top. We're going to take some concealer on our hand and a small brush, just like so, and then we're going to start sketching out our drops. Hold on, let me get some color off of that. So, we're just going to slowly start sketching out our drops, just like we did our fire at the top. This is my first time doing either one of these, so let's see how the drops came out. The fire came out just fine, but drops, I don't know about that. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I got that done. I'm hoping this part comes out good. This looks kind of high. But I hope this comes out good. These are my drips so far. And I'm going to start with the lightest color first. So yellow, orange, red. And I'm jumping into, what palette? There's purple glitter all over it. So, the Juvia's Place palette again. I'm taking the yellow slightly bigger brush this time. And I'm going to just pack that in because I know this yellow is very, very light. And we're going to start stamping. God, my nose. Okay, start stamping that first up near the base. And we're just going to do this with every color that's part of this side of the rainbow. Rainbow, just like we did with the other side. I just noticed this side matches my earring. Isn't that so cute? But, so just so you know, I do this off camera because this is going to take some time. So, I'm going to do, yeah, that did not go what I was about to say. I'm going to take this Ultimate NYX palette, and I'm going to take the red from this palette for the outer, the outer side. And then I'm going to do the Party Animal palette from Laura Lee for this bright, bright orange. This look is coming out just how I wanted it to. So all I did was, of course, fill in the colors and outline some parts of it. Put some lines on the inside, my little water droplet. That was the hardest part. This and the red side was the hardest part just because where it's on my face at. But, so going back in with the NYX glitter primer, I'm going to just put it straight on the brush. We're going to go in with glitter on this side. And luckily I do have all three of these colors in the glitter, or something close to it at least, in the glitter. So let's go in with this glitter glue. Definitely some inside our water droplet, because duh. As you can see, I'm not putting this all over. I'm just putting it in like select areas I want to shine. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go straight in with the glitter. First, I'm gonna start with gold for the yellow, because I have like a white goldish shade. And these glitters here are all from NYX that I have in my hand. So, of course, you just want to tap this slowly all over where you put the glue. Definitely try not to get glitter in your eye, because it can really mess up your eye and your cornea. I'm gonna put this a little bit into the orange. And for the orange, I have a copper shade. Come on. Come on. There we go. Don't forget the water droplet. That's really important. Into the red glitter at the bottom of that. Wipe off the brush a little bit to get some of that excess glitter off. And jump straight into the red so we can put that into our drops. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more in the red. Just a little bit right there. So they can feel all the pain the gays went through just to be able to marry. But it's okay, because we're on fire. Okay. Wow, I just almost dumped this glitter upside down to screw the caps back on. Wow, that would have been bad. For the lower lash line on this eye, I'm going to go straight back in with that shade Sienna that we used on the top lid. Just put that on the flat brush. But where's my mirror? Oh my god, I'm so disoriented right now. So I'm going to just blend that out on the lower lash line. And for lashes, I will be going in with this lash from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. This one right here. I don't want something that's going to block what's on top, because this is painted kind of low. And this one's just pretty open. So, and this doesn't have too much definition on the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with something very fluttery that will let you see straight through the look, but gives you some emphasis. Those lashes were in the style, what is it? I forgot. Instaglam. And I did go back in with this glitter liner to intensify some pieces, just to make them pop a little bit more. But for brow bone, I'm taking Opal from Ofra. Ofra, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Opal from Becca. There we go. Where's Katie when you need her? Because the last time I was struggling to say cover of X, she was right there for me. So I'm going to just highlight my brow bone in my inner corner. And that's almost the look. I just got to throw on some mascara and a lip color. And go prance around being gay. Okay, so finish off the look. I just put this white liner in my waterline, and I did a combination of two lip colors. I did the Adesse lip gloss, and on top of that, I put the L'Oreal Galaxy Illuminate, this one, the holographic purple one, because highlights purple, had matching lips. And one last thing. Yes, the bottle is back. If you've been here for a long time, you know. Setting spray. It's a very fine mist, but it's there. It has a lot of glitter in it. It's the Cover FX Illuminate Setting Spray. But that's it. I'm Faced by Trevi. This is the look. And I hope you enjoy. So you can watch some of my other videos over there by clicking one of the two. And press my face to subscribe. I'm Faced by Trevi, and I hope you enjoyed.